you're welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare something special, coleslaw salad. How to make coleslaw, and I'm going to share my recipe with you. And today we are going to have a discussion, and our topic is choices. Mind your business. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. That is one of the ways you can help me grow this channel, so please do that for me. Okay, let's get to business. In making our coleslaw, we have our cabbage here, we have our carrots. We may either use one or two. We have onion, we have lemon, we have salt solution. This is my homemade mayonnaise. If you want to know how to make mayonnaise at home, check the description side for the link. My apple cider vinegar. This is also vinegar for washing the vegetables. I have eggs I'm going to add. My sweetener, I don't take in sugar, so you can replace this sweetener with sugar. And I have black pepper and white pepper. When we talk of coleslaw, it's basically salad made of carrots and cabbage. But the way you make it will determine how awesome it's going to taste. Okay, so I'm first going to put some vinegar into water to use it to wash my veggies. There are most of the times on social media or some people we come into contact with, we hear the word choices. It's my life. Mind your business. There are times somebody dresses in a way which doesn't look good. You talk about it, and all that they tell you is choices. Mind your business or judge not. You are judging. The Bible says we shouldn't judge, and so judge not. You are going to slice them, and as for the cutting of the vegetables, the shape depends on you. You can use your food processor to chop them into smaller pieces or anything, but I'm using my knife to do it. Okay, so the shape depends on how you want it. Now, you can't even tell someone that what you said is wrong. You are wrong, because you will be reminded that you are judging. And so what does the Bible mean when it says judge not? When the Bible says judge not, what the Bible is telling us is that you and I have no right to decide the one who will be saved and one who will not be saved. Because of that, we have no right to condemn someone. We cannot say this person is committing fornication, so there's no salvation for the person. And so we condemn the person or make the person feel like, as for you, you are rejected, you are not needed. That is what judging means. So when the Bible says we should not judge, it does not mean when somebody is wrong, you don't tell the person you are wrong. When somebody talks loosely, you don't tell the person that the way you talked is not good. When somebody dresses anyhow, you don't talk about it. That is not what judging, thou shalt not judge means. Now, when it comes to the carrots too, you can decide to grate it. But I am not grating. I'm going to cut it into the shapes that I want. We say choices. It's my life. But we forget that every choice we make in life comes with consequences. And we do not bear the consequences alone. People around you, your family will bear the consequences too. Your loved ones will bear the consequences. Your church members will bear the consequences too. The nation you find yourself in will also bear the consequences. So you think that is your life. Choices. And so you are making your own choice. You don't care. And so nobody should talk. Because when we talk and we say that you are wrong, it means we are judging you. But the Bible says we should reprove. It means when somebody is doing something which is not right, we should be able to tell the person that what you are doing, it doesn't glorify God. You can't tell someone that the way you are eating or the things you are eating or it's not right, because it's what? Choices. Because of your wrong choices in diets, you fall sick, and then your family will be running to people for money
to care for you. You get kidney problem now, people have to contribute their money to save you. Meanwhile, when you were drinking the alcohol and you were living an irresponsible life and other lifestyles that result to the kidney problem, you said, it's my life. Choices. It doesn't matter. I can do what I want. It's my life. When you make bad choices, it affects people around you. I'm going to chop my onions. Bear in mind that every choice we make, we will account for it. Whether we believe in God or not, that is not the point. You will account for it. Okay, so with my onions, I am making them very small, chopping them very, very small. In one of the social media groups, someone posted a child dressed in a sexual way and posted it on Facebook, and people were talking about it, and some people were like, it's the family, it's their choice. Mind your business. You talk too much about people's business. What I told one of them was, oh, it's your choice, eh? So we shouldn't talk about it, that it is wrong. But this very same person can grow and come up and end up marrying your own child. And so the mistakes you refuse to talk about and you think is the person's choice. And so we shouldn't talk, we should mind our business. The person will end up marrying your child or your family member. And these negative things that we refused to talk about will end up in your family. When teachers discipline students, some people will talk, you have no right to discipline my child. What if your child ends up marrying my child? So I will discipline your child because I don't know what the future holds. Everything we do, it affects others. Okay, so at this point we are done with our vegetables, chopping them. I'm not going to wash them again. That's why I first wash them. I'm going to put everything in this and try to see if there is any excess water and get it out. If you have salad spinner, you can use it to get every form of water out of your veggies. Okay, no water, it's dry, so I can use it for my salad. Okay, so this is what I am going to do. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of the sauce solution on my vegetables so that the water can also drain from it. There. We should stop thinking that when people talk about our wrong behaviors, it means they are dead. Then if that is the case, our younger ones in the house, our children, we shouldn't train them. We shouldn't correct them. We shouldn't discipline them when they go wrong because it's their life, it's their choice. Choices. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add a bit of the apple cider vinegar to my mayonnaise. Just this is okay. I am going to add my sweetener. Then I'm going to add a bit, half of the lemon juice. Okay, so we'll add it to it. Then we'll stir everything together. A bit of white pepper to it. Just a little. Then a bit of black pepper. Then I'll stir everything very well. Okay, so we have everything in there. The next thing we are going to do is to add our mayonnaise to it. This is our coleslaw salad, and I am going to add egg to it. It's optional. This is it, our coleslaw salad. You can also give it a try at home and you will love it. This is awesome. It tastes good, so give it a try and you are going to love it. Very, very amazing. Very, very amazing. Looks sumptuous. Check the description side for homemade mayonnaise, jago mayonnaise. Then you can also try it at home. And so, my dear, it's not just about your choice. When you make choices, you influence people around you. The consequences of your choices, everybody face it. And when it's about life and death, people can't keep quiet and say it's your life, it's your choice, and so they won't mind. It tells that whatever choice you are making, you should consider it and consider the people around you and even people you are influencing from afar. It is only people who love you who will correct you of your way of talking, your way of dressing, and some choices you are making. Let us see the good side of the corrections people are giving us and make the best decision. Therefore, if you are making the choice, once again, consider the people around you so you don't affect them negatively. Thanks so much for watching.